हातमा गरे जस्तै मेरो हामी हिर्काउनुहोस् खुट्टाले सो यु टेलिङ टु ट्याप युर ह्यान्ड जस्ट किप युर ह्यान्ड एन्ड टेलिङ टु ट्याप माथि गरे जस्तै अर्को फिङ्गर नोज गरे जस्तै यसो गर्ने सो along the shin or the ankle and my bring it up त्यसो गर्नुहोस् त फेरि आफैले गर्नुहोस् त खुट्टा उचाल्नुहोस् माथि shin test whenever you are eliciting or bilateral गर्नुपर्छ नि so that you can compare. So this is coordination, which is weird. Gated. Ini sama nggak? Laos. Ini mana? First make it stand. You want to see you got a round box and down. So you should always be careful. So they are not straight. If it's round box positive, start falling. Round box positive when is it? The professor dorsal column is gone. That's called sensory ataxia. Open eye when it does not fall. That means he is using eyesight to control himself. Cholera pani he sways, it is cerebellar ataxia. Cholera pani he sways, cerebellar ataxia. He is losing his sight. So sensation like block there, and if he starts falling, then it's sensory ataxia. अब त हिँड्न सक्दैन लाटो होला अब यसो गर्नु यसो हेर्नु यसो मेरो कुकुरको चालले यसरी हिँडे जस्तो हेर्नुहोस् ल एउटा कुकुर हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ गर्नुहुन्छ ल बाबा सक्नुहुन्न तपाईँ so this is called tandem walk. That is also to see whether he's got ataxia or not. अब यसरी हिँड्न सक्नुहुन्छ यसरी हिँड्न सक्दैन होला सकिँदैन ल that is called heel test. केमा हुन्छ heel is which nerve? L5. तिमी यसरी गर्नु सक्छ कुन चाहिँ मसल्स डोर्सिफ्लेक्सन नाभि कुन चाहिँ मसल्स इन्भल्भ हुन्छ सो यु आर इन्भल्भ इन tibialis anterior. Tibialis anterior is common terminal. So that is L5. जस्तै टोमा हिँड्ने टोमा हिँड्दा कुन चाहिँ मसल इन्भल्भ भयो ग्यास्ट्रोनिमस सो द्याट इज tibial nerve. So it make him walk on the toe. So tibial nerve भन्न सक्छ that's one. So this is tandem walk. अर्को gait area. So you make him walk up to the other person. So you got to make him walk. There is a gait called Trendelenburg gait. Here Trendelenburg gait. So he's got a weak muscles in the proximal hip. Suppose he's got a weak muscle in the left hip. So if you got a muscle weakness in the left side, you put out salad. So what happens is this will come down because your muscles strong, your muscle weak, so they cannot balance. So this is called Trendelenburg. Now normal manchi put out salad. Normal manchi will be at the same position. When this is weak, this is strong, so this will fall down because of contraction. It does not fall down. So this is called Trendelenburg. Arche gait. Otherwise, diplegic gait. Diplegic gait is